Surprise when I came home tonight. Dave cleaned up back here so that our work will be a little easier. As you can see, I started working on the getting the wood off the styrofoam. And he vacuumed everything up so that we don't have a big mess here anymore. We'll be doing that as we go. And yesterday I got this much off. I really didn't get to work on it very long, but I got that done. So I'll work on that some more. It's a wonderful bag of peelings. And then we're going to try to sand the wall back here to help get this board off. Be easier than what I'm doing. So we're trying a couple of things. Got a beam here. It's rusted. So I think we're going to cut next to it in the styrofoam and put another beam in. Maybe we'll take the other one out. I don't know. And this corner has some wood damage. We can hear it when we walk on it. And we think there's some wood damage under the floor here too. So we'll have to wait and see. But it looks so much better in here. Still pretty skylight. Bye.